Hi, everybody. Hello. One thing that I really fear is that when you allow lies to continue, they become truths. So I brought the necklaces.
Ay, ayan na. The famous
Yeah, hindi bagay kasi naisuot ko ngayon pero pinadala ko in the boxes because I don't know why I couldn't understand. November pa yung APEC. The other day, inuukat na naman yung issue. So sabi ko, ilalabas ko na. And hindi ako bayad ng Bodega Veneta. This is, diba? But this was necklace number 1.
Gagawin may number.
And this was necklace number 2. They are cubic zirconium, fake diamonds. So, sabi ng sister ko si Pian, hindi mo kinurekto dahil ayaw mo umamin na fake yung diamonds na suot mo. So, I just want, parang tapos na itong ano to. I had mentioned na isusuot ko. My stylist said, please don't, hindi bagay sa damit. So, nagbabayin na lang ako. Pero I wanted everyone to just see it and just to put the issue to rest. Kasi I feel when the truth is on your side, it's easy to discuss anything. Natakot lang ako, that fear was that if you continue ignoring something because you thought it was senseless and baseless, for some people, it can be acknowledged as, ay baka totoo. Eh, tigilan na ako. 14 years old lang po ako when my mom took office. And I was reviewing it, buti na lang medyo may photographic memory ako. We were not allowed to enter Malacanang for at least 10 days because it might have been booby-trapped. There were a lot of things there. And parang the last thing I think my family would do would be to steal someone else's jewelry. And yun lang, nainis ako dito because it was putting into question my mom's memory. Because obviously, di ba, saan ko makukuha? It's nagaling sa nanay ko. Gagawin ba yun ng mom ko? So, that's why.